Whoa, you just cut off the mini crapper. You got a stop sign. You got a stop sign. You got a stop sign. Just gonna keep going? Yes. Prius doesn't know how to clear. That thing's like so fucking low to the ground. People don't. It's like a field day. Pick. There's a winner. On the phone, crossing the street, jaywalking. Almost got hit. Come on, people. Whoa, what a place, a lot of personnel. And you're gonna run. Yeah, people just don't. No, 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 no. And you got this damn Honda. This side is. Whoa, jeez. The fuck was that? Whoa. Whoa. Don't be a douchebag. Hey, Subaru! Come back! Come back! And another red light. Hey, oh! You're one of these special people, aren't you? You're one of these special people, aren't you? Oh, you're too nice to him. Too nice. I'm sorry. There's no one behind you. Just keep going and you... Back, Jeep. What the fuck is that? What are you doing? So what you're telling me is the space on the other side was open and you didn't want to walk an extra, what, 10 feet? Pretty bad one. Douche.
With 211, fuck around and get caught up in a 187. But I don't represent no gang. Some niggas like me.
And that just ran red. Whoa, shit. What the fuck? Why are you on the wrong side of the road? And it's red. Come on. Move faster. Oh my God, 40. You bitch. Stay in your lane, please. It doesn't matter.
his excuses. On my dick 'cause my flow won't hit. Pancake front and back, side to side, and all that shit. So when I crawl, I
Comes correct.
Was that same guy that was right behind me? I think that was. Definitely red. I believe that's a no turn on red. He just went through the strip. Stop sign, didn't he? Well, jeez. Might as well keep going. You're blocking my way. And you have a red hand. Holy shit, a jogger that actually... Oh. I spoke too soon. Oh, shit. Why are you pulling out?
That's what she said.
Why are we stuck? It would help if you had a turn signal that worked. Seriously. The fuck, man? No waiver, nothing. How's that old woman doing? Did she just go straight? Another rear camera. Did not even stop. Mercedes. Oh, you're drifting backward. You just sat there. Oh, you suck. Now I gotta slow way down. And you're getting my windshield all wet. Wait, damn it. Damn, that's wide. Oh, jeez. Why are we random? Oh, turn signal. Oh, the fuck! Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Oh my god. Fucking idiot! Scared the Seriously? Now we're gonna do this shit?
We got a little bit more salmon.
Move over, guys.
Cookouts. I hate cookouts.
It doesn't work that way yet. In 50 years or 100 years, it'll work that way.
Get off me. Thank you.
Just slips into conversation. Oh, I used to party with Madonna. And I went, you fucking what, when? You know, I used to party with Madonna. Now, I should clue you in a little bit on this. My girlfriend used to be
little
model in
patience.
Miami, right?
Oh, super fast, Toyota.
You done messed up, Aaron!
dual turf tail behind me. Come on, move your ass. And that's right turn only lane, dude. So like,
Look at the motherfuckers. You know what I found out today was Bigfoot? When I realized your wife was a Bigfoot when I took your kids fishing last week. I put the motherfuckers in the boat bus and I took them.
I'd like to tell you more about my wife, but I'm not allowed to.
he's sitting there.
I'm allowed to.
He's sitting there. What the fuck is wrong with that car? That's a dumb guy.
Apparently a kid's dream house is just a house with no door.
What the hell?
Bats flying.
We got plenty of on-ramps to speed up. We're going really slow. What the hell's that up there? Something all the way from the left lane.
I used to have to get my stroll on. Did nobody wanna speak?
Don't turn on red.
Nobody peeping out the window when they hear me beating up the nigga, don't let the Chevrolet slide as I dip a
right in front of
the
him.
south side, yeah. Rolling.
They're just gonna turn right in front of them. I wonder how they got that dent in their door. Line. Yeah, we don't know how lines work here, do we? It's not just a Hartford thing. Come on, truck. That just fucking sucks. Whoa! Why are people... Oh, sitting at green. It's like, who's honking at who? And like half the people now are gonna miss going left.